My name is Panchal Dharmik. I am in 9th B.
My name is Patel Pura. I am also in 9th B.
My name is Patel Vedant. I am also in 9th B. So we had make a acid rain project. In acid rain, I explain you how acid rain occurs. The gas released by factory, CO2, SO2 and methane and nitrous, and gas released by car and vehicles like CO3 and etc. gases. When it merge in atmosphere, it occurs acid rain. And the effect of the acid rain is when the acid rain fall in any areas, so the vegetation of that areas and the plantation of that areas burnt due to the acid rain.
Everyone, my name is Patel Vedant and I am studying in 9th B. So today I will explain you the types of motion by this model. So the first is rotational motion. This is the image of this motion, and backside there are the definition and examples of this. Then the next is periodic motion. So you can see the image of this, and backside there are the definition of this motion. Then the next is linear motion. This is a linear motion, and backside there is the definition and examples of that. Then the last is circular motion. This is the image of that motion, and backside there are the definition and examples of it. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Angel and Dejani from Standard 9A. I am here to describe about the plant cell. So plant cells are basically the eukaryotic cells in several fundamental factors from other eukaryotic organisms. Both in plant cells and animal cells contains a nucleus. The distinctive aspects of plant cell is the presence of cell wall outside the cell membrane. So here are the parts of the plant cell. This is Golgi apparatus, this is nucleus, this is mitochondria, this is lysosomes, and this is vacuole. Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell, and lysosomes are called the cellular bag of the cell. Thank you everyone.
Good morning everyone, this is Simran Pal.
This is Sharma Vandana.
And today we are going to show you the working model of acid rain. Acid rain is used to showcase how normal rain forms into acidic rain due to the factory and vehicle pollution which get emitted into sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide and get added into water in the atmosphere to produce acid rain. The causes of acid rains are sulfur and nitrogen particles which get mixed with wet components of rain.
Acid rain is very harmful for agriculture, plants and animals. It washes away all nutrients which are required for growth and survival of plants. It causes respiratory issues in animals and plants. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Anuradha Pathak. I am in 9th standard. As you all understood that I am going to make a discussion on the topic of three states of matter and its properties. First, solid. Solid can be defined as a substance which exists in a solid state, which is one of the third fundamental state of matter. Properties of solid are as follows. Properties have strong intermolecular force, very less space between them, have definite shape and volume, have high density. Solid cannot be compressed. Examples of solid are books, colored pencil, van and pumpkin. This is a figure when you show the solid particles have very less space. Second, liquid. Liquid is a substance which states us that it have less rigid type than solid but more than gas. Properties of liquid have moderate intermolecular force, have moderate space between the particles. They do not have definite shape and have definite volume, but they have moderate density. Liquid cannot be compressed easily. You can see the diagram of liquid that have moderate space between them. Examples of liquid called cold drinks, rainfall, milk and soup. Third, gas. Gas is a substance that is fluid in type, then have moderate its properties. Gas have very weak intermolecular force, very large space between the particles, no definite shape and no volume, very low density. Gases can be highly compressed. You can see the figure that they have very large space between their particles. Examples of gases: gas, air pollution, boiling water. Thank you so much for listening.